Hey friends, welcome back to John Dog Drinks. Today we are making the Hurricane. Now, the original Hurricane was invented at Pat O'Brien's in New Orleans in the 1940s, which is a lovely recipe with a bunch of ingredients. Today we're going to be making the version from Smugglers Cove, which is another famous tiki bar and also a book from San Francisco. They take on a much simpler approach, only 3 ingredients. We're going to use 4 ounces of dark rum. For my dark rum, I'm using Old Sam's Demerara Rhum. We're going to use some passion fruit syrup and some lemon juice, and it's as simple as that. The president of Pat O'Brien's today claims that the recipe was made back then because they had an excess of rum. They just had so much rum they needed a recipe that used up double. So that's why this drink is technically a double and comes with a big 4 ounces of rum. And we're gonna go try one today. Anyways, let's start mixing. First off, we need 2 whole ounces of fresh lemon juice. Next, we need 2 ounces of passion fruit syrup. I'm actually gonna do more like 1.5 ounces just because this bottle was really hard to find and I just don't want it to be a little bit too much on the sweet side as well. So about 1.5 ounces. And then 2 ounces of our dark rum. Next, we're gonna add a bunch of crushed ice and we're gonna give this a nice flash blend. Now for glassware, there's only 1 glass you can use for a Hurricane, and that's a Hurricane glass. We're gonna serve this with a straw. Because I'm in the mood for it, I am going to add a Old Smoky's moonshine soaked cherry. And that is the Smugglers Cove Hurricane. Wow. It is very sweet and heavy on passion fruit. This is actually only the second time I had a passion fruit ingredient, so I'm still getting familiar with the taste, but it tastes like passion fruit. There's a lot of it in there. I only drink a little bit, but it's super boozy, so going through this whole thing, like it's just great. And just enough sweetness and sour from the lemon juice too. It's not overly sour, but you do taste a lot of those bright juice flavors. Now, compared to the original Hurricane, it is very, very, very spot on taste-wise. The original Hurricane does have a little bit of different notes here with, like orange and lime and 2 different types of rum, but side by side, I might not be able to tell which one's which. Anyways, that's a Smugglers Cove Hurricane. Really a great drink, perfect way to start off the end of winter as soon as it comes. If you make this drink before, please let me know in the comments below what kind of rum you used for it. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel next. But until next time, cheers.